In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove any objects from your photo or anything that you want to remove in your photos with using Canva. So first of all, you just need to go to your Canva website and upload the photo that you want to remove object from. For example, I have a photo of this desk here with a lot of objects. Now I'm going to show you two methods to remove any object from using Canva. Now you can go to the edit option after selecting the design of the photo. Now here you can find two options, which is called magic eraser or magic grab. Both are good option to remove anything. So I'm going to show you the both options, and these two options are premium feature, so you cannot use this in free. So try to get a premium Canva account. It's very cheap. So just go to the magic grab, and what it will do is just automatically grab the things on your image that you have, like it automatically grab the cassette here, the Game Boy, also the camera lens. And if I want to remove this cassette from this image, just click on it and then just click grab. And after that, if I go back to my photo, and as you can see, it perfectly grabbed the cassette from my image. Now I can move that, or I can also delete that. So I just deleted the objects from my photo with the using of magic grab. So magic grab will just grab any object. It will not just remove it. You can also place it anywhere that you want. And here's another option I want to show you is called magic eraser. After coming to the magic eraser option, you can see there's the option of brush here. Now you can use the brush option or the click option, but I'm going to show you the brush option here. So just choose the brush size and it will increase the brush size here. Now I want to remove this white box here. So just do this with your brush. Just select the object that you want to remove and just click on erase. As you can see, it erased the white box, but it also leave a scratch here. Now you can also erase that. So I'm just going to again choose the brush size and I'm going to perfect that so I can get that text texture. Click on erase. Now as you can see, it's totally removed now. So that's it, guys. This is the two way you can use to erase or remove anything from your photo. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel and thank you for watching.